Hello traders, Nick Shaheen looking at Novavax. I've done a few videos on it. I believe the notes were spot on, and right now it is tight and stuff's going to happen soon. Which way you decide, I will share the levels that matter. First of all, you can see the range went from really wide and it's tightening into a pinpoint. Usually energy builds up and they need to hash it out. Now, no one has control over it at this time frame with 2-hour charts. So let's see what I said about it as far as lines and such. I said resistance up here, must hold down here, so we're still inside that. They are struggling with the resistance, and the support held. And the good thing is that higher lows, but also lower highs, therefore something's going to happen. I probably said the same thing around here. See that right there? Tight. Higher lows somewhat, lower highs, something's going to happen, and this happened. But this is not that time frame. I'm not an expert about how far along they are with their results, but I doubt they're going to be flush with cash once they come out with that. The anticipation, I think, is building, and the vaccine, if or not, how much it will bring or not, will there be price restrictions or not, will it be subsidized by the government or not, that's up to you. All I can tell you is the price action is very tight and something's going to happen soon. So how do I trade it? The easy way to look at it for me is if it loses, I mean, there is support, so it will need a reason to go through it. It just won't go casually. So if they lose the support, the first line is here, they'll probably try to hold here, and maybe they'll try to target this one. Now I do have, what just happened? Okay, I do have a line here. What do I say? Okay, so I don't want to say it. This is a buy the dip moment with a tight stop. Why the tight stop? Because if it loses this, then we may revert to these prices down here. I know you're cussing me out already, but that's what the chart suggests that it could happen. That's why I said must hold. These are buy the dip moments as well. So is this little zone right here. This one definitely, but with a tight stop. So if it doesn't hold, I'm wrong, I get out. You can argue that there should be some support at 70.6, 70.5, and many arguments there. But if you look at it, for this period of time, most of the trading happened between this line and this line. In fact, the biggest part that happened is down here. This stuff up here has not counted yet. What do you mean? What do I mean is, okay, you see these volume bars down here? These are the same volume bars up here. It hasn't spent enough time up here in order to build a base up here. Look, most of the high number, so these two zones is where most of the trading happened. This tells me that when they traded down here, they traded a shit ton more than up here. So it needs time to mature, the chart. Doesn't mean that it belongs down there. I'm just telling you that there is no support from the volume profile, a lot of support past this line until down here. That's what that means. The upside potential is if you believe in chasing trend line breakouts, you can do this and say, hey, it's already broken out. I prefer chasing level breakouts, fewer fake outs for me. So this level they've struggled with the past 3 times they've been up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line and say if they finally get through this, they're going to overshoot higher. And they try to do it in 2 steps. I ran out of room. They're going to try to do it in 2 steps. This may fade a little bit more. I don't know, but they should fade somewhere around 126, 127. 125 to 127 should be a resistance zone. Like I said, there is resistance. So if I wanted to add legend to it, I'll say resistance down here. But if taken out equals trigger. How about that? This will make the bulls happy. So I don't chase it going into it. I chase it after they take it out. They usually take it out and they come back and test it for footing before they take off. Sometimes you miss it. So what? Okay, so also I can put a note here that support 1. So these are comments on the short term, and the biggest comment is that something's going to happen. Which way, I don't know. These are the two options on how they unfold and what to expect at what levels. This is the only thing I need to trade the stock without even knowing its fundamentals, because really there is no fundamental, because it's all based on future hope. If they get it done, boom, there are fundamentals. If they don't, there aren't any. It's easy as that. I don't know if they have any sales right now. Maybe they do, but I bet you the market cap falls over the current sales. So market cap of 7 billion. So the income statement is 100 million. Oh, never mind. That's the bottom line. So they broke this link. If I click this, and it's going to take me out of the chart. See, they broke it. It used to be a pop-up, and now it's not. Are you listening, TradingView? So anyway, we were looking at, where's the sales? Oh my gosh, total revenue 15 million on a 7 billion. Not good, not good. So it's all about future. But what's good is that you know what to do on the chart, and it's based on the scientist. If they get it done, perfect. Then they have fundamentals, and you can dissect. If they don't, then all the hopium should go. Nick signing out.